Hello everyone. Welcome to Justice English Academy. In today's lesson, you will learn 50 common English words that beginners use every day. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. 1. Hello, a greeting. Example, hello, my friend. 2. Hi, a casual greeting. Example, hi, how are you? 3. Goodbye, used when leaving. Example, goodbye, see you tomorrow. 4. Please, a polite word. Example, please help me. 5. Thank you, used to show appreciation. Example, thank you for your kindness. 6. Sorry, used to apologize. Example, sorry, I'm late. 7. Yes, a positive answer. Example, yes, I understand. 8. No, a negative answer. Example, no, I don't know. 9. Friend, a person you like. Example, she is my friend. 10. Family, the people related to you. Example, I love my family. 11. Mother, your female parent. 12. Father, your male parent. 13. Brother, a male sibling. 14. Sister, a female sibling. 15. Teacher, a person who teaches. 16. Student, a person who learns. 17. School, a place to study. 18. Book, something you read. 19. Pen, something you write with. 20. Bag, used to carry things. 21. House, a place where you live. 22. Door, you open and close it. 23. Window, you look through it. 24. Chair, you sit on it. 25. Table, you put things on it. 26. Water, a drink. 27. Food, something you eat. 28. Apple, a fruit. 29. Bread, a common food. 30. Milk, a healthy drink. 31. Car, a vehicle. 32. Bus, public transportation. 33. Road, cars drive on it. 34. Sun, it shines during the day. 35. Moon, you see it at night. 36. Day, the time from morning to evening. 37. Night, the dark part of the day. 38. Happy, feeling good. 39. Sad, feeling unhappy. 40. Tired, needing rest. 41. Big, large in size. 42. Small, little in size. 43. Good, nice or excellent. 44. Bad, not good. 45. Fast, moving quickly. 46. Slow, moving without speed. 47. Love, a strong feeling of care. 48. Like, to enjoy something. 49. Help, to assist someone. 50. Learn, to gain knowledge. Excellent. You have just learned 50 common English words for beginners. Practice these words every day and try to use them in simple sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Justice English Academy for more easy English lessons. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.